Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to plant two varieties of fig. I'm aiming as of now for 1,000 subscribers. So please kindly subscribe. This is a white Marseille fig tree. I have this for 5 years already. This is Violette de Bordeaux. And the other one is Fig Chicago. Make sure that the pots you're using have holes in it. And I'm also using mulch for good drainage and to prevent the soil from passing through. Fig plants prefer slightly acidic soil between 6 to 6.5. My soil mix is 7 parts garden soil and 3 parts peat moss and a handful of vermiculite. I'm also going to use this fertilizer intended for acid-loving plants and also this non-burning fertilizer. The roots are looking good. That is the highest root. I'm going to plant it 2 inches above that highest root. So maybe here, this is my soil level. If you bought your fig in a pot, then transplant it 1 to 2 inches above the soil level of your original container. I did change the pot because the roots were longer. Pack the soil tight so there will be no air pockets. And do not prune it in the first year, but start pruning it in the second year. Fig trees need full sun, at least 8 hours of direct sunlight for prolific production of the fruit. Use a balanced NPK fertilizer, but do not over-fertilize because the leaves can get burned. Water regularly, at least an inch per week if planted in the ground, and as needed for those in the container. If the plant doesn't have much leaves, fertilize with high nitrogen fertilizer like alfalfa meal, fish mulcher, or manure. The fruits are ready to harvest when the fig is soft to touch and droop on the plants. If milky latex comes out when you pick the fruit, it's not yet ready. Wait for more days. Wrap in layers or burlap the plant in late autumn season. I'm in zone 7B. I just use mulch. Violette de Bordeaux fig is relatively cold hardy in zone 5. It tastes almost like honey and berries. The color of the fruit is almost black with a purple red interior. It's a self-pollinating fruit. In warmer climate, maybe 2 harvests, one in early season or early summer and one in the fall. Excellent for patio container. Chicago fig is cold hardy zone 6 and the roots are hardy to -20 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also a self-pollinating and prolific fig producer. It's juicy with a rich honey-like flavor. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Have a nice day.